these beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the pictures I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it might be a little echoey, let me say that off the bat. I just moved into this place. I'm literally in my bathroom right now because nothing is set up, but I have to bring you guys this video. Today's video is a wig review and install. This hair was sent to me by XRS, or is it pronounced XrsBeauty? Hopefully I said that right. All the details for this hair will be in the description box below. Shout outs to them for sponsoring this video. This hair that they sent me is a single knot unit, and the single knot wigs are the ones that are like individually knotted in the front, and it's so much easier to bleach, to like customize. But guys, today I will not be bleaching anything. I'll be putting it on with just my makeup, so I'll show you how great the hair is without doing too much work. And I'll definitely be doing like a glueless kind of vibe. I say glueless, but yeah, I'll be using my Ebin girl. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Sorry for the echo because I'm speaking and it sounds so echoey, and yeah, I'm standing up to do this video. So I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe and become a part of the CK gang. But yeah, let's get into the video. This is the box, and I think it looks super stunning. It looks like a designer box, so I love that. It literally looks like I bought a luxury bag or something. This is the wig. Ooh, I love this. It came with a nice comb, a wig cap, an elastic band. They also gave me flexi rods. That's pretty cool. And they gave me a edge brush. But that's the content of the box. We're gonna get into doing the wig. And guys, this is the hair. It is a 22-inch, 150% density wig. Okay guys, so with wigs, you have double and single knots. Double knots are bigger in size. They are way more visible and harder to bleach. Girl, you ever got a wig and the knots were just like there and you try bleaching them and it's still just very much there? Those are double knot wigs. We do not like those. Those are like the cheaper wigs. This wig is quality. The single knots appear really finer, smaller, it's easier to bleach, and you will have a way more natural hairline result. Ooh, okay, this looks good already. Look at this. This looks really, really good. Do you see that? That is pure, just like fire. Like that is super amazing. I love the two braids that are on this wig. The knots look really, really pretty. On the insides, you have your adjustable straps, and you can tell that it's single knotted. Like, look at how clean that looks. It looks super clean on the inside of the wig. And it has a adjustable straps and also elastic bands and combs. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it is so good. The lace is so nice. Yes. I'm gonna take the braids out because it's not even that centered, but I'm just showing you the options that you have with this wig. You can do braids, you can do whatever. I don't know who braided this, but they did a really good job. You can braid it however, you can part it however. This is such a bomb wig. So we're gonna get it on. I'm going to be using my Ebin to put this wig on. Y'all already seen me do wigs, so it's nothing new. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of my Got2b over top. Literally all I'm doing for this wig is adding some foundation underneath, and I keep looking at my viewfinder, sorry guys, because this is not my typical setup, but I'm gonna just add my foundation underneath and then get to it. And it's gonna be really quick, really easy, because the hairline is already giving what it was supposed to give. Guys, so I pulled the braids out. Hopefully y'all can see me, and I'm just straightening the hair before I put it on. I took the braids out. I'm still deciding if I'm doing a center or side part. I really like the side part that it came with, but I'm gonna straighten it all out to see, or I might keep it in the center. But the hair straightens beautifully. My flat irons isn't even on high, and you see how well it straightens out. Like, okay, it looks really natural. It looks like it's coming from my scalp, like I did like a sew-in. Guys, this is what we're looking like right now. I had to stop, pause, go outside to walk my dog, but this is what we're looking like. Everything looks so good. I'm making just a little swoop right here, a little swoop right there, and then I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna come back. But thus far, I'm loving how everything is looking. I apologize for the light because the sun has shifted. I was using natural light from that window. The sun has shifted and I'm only using my ring light, but yeah, this is what we're looking like.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of time.
Yeah, I don't want to do too much where the baby hairs are stiff. Ain't no way.
I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. They thinking I'm blood.
What we're looking like. I'm going to just tie it down, do my makeup, and come back. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I did go off camera and do my makeup like it's giving. Do y'all see that? It's literally giving gorgeous girl. Like, I love how my edges turned out. I'm not an edges girl, but this wig turned out really pretty. What it's giving is really pretty, and I love this hair. It straightens really well. As y'all saw, I had the braids at the beginning and then I just like straightened it, and look at how flat it is. It is pretty true to length. It comes what's this, like right at my rib cage, so it is true to length. Really love this hair. All the links will be in the description box below. I pray that this audio is not terrible, but yeah guys, be sure to like, comment, and also subscribe. And if you like this hair, check out the description box below. I definitely feel like this is a wig for you to have. It's definitely worth the price. Whatever the price is, girl, it's worth it. From the lace to how it's pre-plucked to how it's bleached, it is really amazing. I'm gonna go take like a little video moment in like the light, like the natural light, so y'all can see. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in my next one. Bye.